Hello, this is the Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Advanced 5-in-1 Coffee Maker. I just received it from Hamilton Beach. Give you a side. This is my review of this coffee maker. I'll give you a side view. As you can see, the water tank to the right. There's a full 12-cup coffee pot on the side. In the front, you have for single cup. Your K-cups go in here. This is the K-cup adapter. Also comes with a brewing basket. So you don't need to buy K-cups to have single cups of coffee. You can put the brewing basket in there, filled with your coffee, ground coffee, and it works just like a K-cup. I'm going to put a K-cup in there now because we're going to test it. This is green tea. In the back I have it set up for coffee. We're going to test it on a single cup first. Here's the other side. There's not much to see on that side. It's just a blank panel. The front control panel displays the time. If you want to do a full pot of coffee, you would press this, and then you press it again for a number of cups. It goes up to 12 or back down to 2. I'm going to do 10 ounce with the K cup. You can press this again. It goes 12 ounces, 14 ounces, 8 ounces. We're going to set it back to 10 ounces. I believe that's what this cup I have here is big enough to handle. It's right now on regular brew. If you press this thing on the bottom, it will go to bold, which I believe makes it a little stronger flavor. Probably slows down the water, giving it more time to soak into the coffee or the tea. Let's see here. On the other side, it would be if you wanted to make like iced coffee, or there's a setting for that too. You'd press that. Go back to K-cup, 10 ounce. This little thing here, if you hold it down, is to set the time. Okay. Now let's see. All we did, reservoir is filled. Press that button. I will say I've owned other K-cup coffee makers. This one is quieter. It's only at the very end that you hear a little gurgling. There you go. You see on the display, it's currently showing 2 ounces. That will go up to until it reaches 10. There's 3 ounces. Now you know how much water is coming through. And it keeps going. I do like that this here raises the cup up. That means there's less splattering in the back here. I've had the other coffee maker I had a lot of splatter in the back because the cup was down here, was much lower. You can take this part out if you have a taller cup. There we go, 8 ounces. This is green tea, by the way, it's not coffee. I have coffee in the back. I chose green tea for the K-cup. There we go, 9 ounces. And 10 ounces. And it's done. A cup of green tea. Hot. Now, I'm going to try the coffee. Still have, let's see if I can read that, about 9 cups. Yeah, about 9 cups, I think. There, yeah, 9 cups left in the water reservoir, so Alright, and switch it to coffee. And I don't know, say make 6 cups. We'll try 6. Alright, again, you can hit this, make it bold, regular, your choice. Press the button again. Let's see, it's going to start. This part will take a little longer because obviously it's a bigger pot. You see the coffee's already starting to flow. Has a heating plate on the bottom that will stay on after this to keep the coffee hot. And to turn that off, you will have to press the power button here again just to turn that off. Otherwise the heating plate will stay on for a while. You can already smell the coffee. And while it's brewing, comes with instruction manual. It's kind of a quick start guide, just to gives you the, oh, this side's not in English though. Here's the English side. Gives you just the basic, you know, description of what all this does on the front panel. The icon on the lower right here is for setting an auto brew. You don't see it right now because it's brewing, but you can use that to set the auto brew function so that when you wake up in the morning you have hot coffee ready. Okay. Yeah, still going. Currently 2 cups. You can see the display. Just like before, it's going up slowly. Taking longer because this is cups, not ounces. And with the K-cup it shows ounces. And as I said before, this thing here does come out. So you can put a taller cup in here. No problem. Just like catching any water that comes through. Put that back. Alright, 3 cups. I'm assuming with the bold brew that this would take longer. To make the coffee stronger, or to make the tea stronger, it would have to slow down the water. Let's give it more time to soak into the coffee grounds. We're at 4 cups. And 5 cups. We're almost done. Inspect the side view. See the water in the reservoir is almost depleted. And the reservoir only holds up to 12 cups, which is the capacity of that coffee pot, is 12 cups. So you brew a full pot of coffee in the morning, you will have to refill the reservoir to make a second pot. And yeah, we're done. It's just dripping now. And there's a pot of coffee. As I said, the burner, the heating plate on the back there will keep the coffee warm. You turn it off by pressing this, and then the display goes back. So the heating plate is now off, and it will just, it'll just cool down. And that's pretty much about it. Remove the K-cup that I put in there. Okay. Close that. Well, I'll have to wash that, so I'll take it out now. Close that back up. Alright, and that concludes my review for the Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Advanced 5-in-1 Coffee Maker. Thank you.